Hey guys, this is Dave with CostCertified. I'm just going to show you in this quick video how you can actually organize your different assemblies and items that you've created in the quote engine, and you want to just organize it. It's pretty easy to do. You just go to items and assemblies. And I always recommend, by the way, that when you are building your different assemblies and items, do it through the quote engine. And what I mean by that is always build your new assemblies and new items right within the quote engine. So you would go in, to this view, and this is where you would start adding, different, if you want to build a new assembly or whatever. It just makes it easier than doing it through this view. Now, I'm going to go back here to items and assemblies. When you have built your assemblies and items, you can actually create categories that make it easier, and you can drag and drop things into those categories. So like, let's say you have a renovation category, and I don't know if I actually have a renovation category here or not, but let's say that, so here you go, here's categories here. So you could have renovation components, which are your items. You could have renovation assemblies, which are your main assemblies. You could have new construction. So you can create these categories, and it's really easy. You just click new category. So what's the name? So you could say, renovation or whatever it is, and then you just drag and drop it right into, so I'm going to just show you here. So renovation, I'm going to click save. So now it becomes a new category right here. And then let's say I want to drag one of these, maybe one of these assemblies into renovation, like paint interior. So I'm just going to drag it right up here where it says drop to root level here. I'm just going to make sure. So once you do that, actually, you got to make sure you drop it right in here. Okay, so drop right in there, and then you'll see it appear right in that category under renovation. There you go. See how it appears in here? So now when you go search for things in the quote engine, so you're actually building your quote, you're going to see a category called renovation, and you can actually search for it there. So here, I'll show you real quick what I mean by that. So if I go back, so just give me a second here. So if I go back into the pipeline, go back into a quote, and I'm going to just refresh my screen. So I go in here, and now let's say I click on add. So let's just see if I can find a category here, which was, so you got renovation as one of your categories. And if I go into that renovation category, I have paint interior. So do you notice how you can, I mean, it's up to you. If you can obviously just use the search bar. You don't need to categorize anything, but sometimes people just like to have a bunch of categories so that they can, go into those categories and not have to search. So anyway, this is just a little tip on how you can organize your assemblies and items. Thanks for watching this video.